Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we'll be going over how exactly do we design, landing pages for any PPC campaign that we run in our agency. And this is gonna be for an HVAC business. You can just duplicate the stuff based on your business, your services, and all those stuff. I am assuming that you have already done keyword research, because prior to designing the landing page, you do need to know what exact service, what exact keyword you want to focus on, because then only you can actually include all those terms in a location page that would help you increase the overall relevancy and come up at the top in PPC campaign. So yeah, let's see how we do it, right? This is an example, and first of all, we are having the main term here in the H1. This is very important because it helps you increase the overall relevancy of your page, of your ad campaign, and eventually increasing the ad position, right? This is something which is important. Then I like to focus a lot on phone calls instead of form and all those stuff, because of the category we are dealing with, HVAC. It's kind of especially emergency services, so anyone would prefer to call you instead of fill up a form and then wait for hours to get a call back. Hence I like to kind of focus a lot on more on phone calls. Then services available 24/7, some sort of copywriting is needed. Then all the USPs, right? Open 24 hours, same day service, emergency response, risk-free quotes, and all these stuff, you do need them as well. Then same stuff, 24-hour services, 24-hour installations, 2-hour labor, parts and warranty, 100% customer satisfaction. Then we have got a bit of introduction, then a YouTube video, then trusted by, put all the certifications and all those stuff, then further call now to speak. Then I list all the services that our company is offering. Helps us not just focus on one service. Obviously with one ad campaign or one landing page, you want to focus on one service, but if that particular prospect need any other stuff, you can just know what stuff we do. Then some images of our trucks and all those stuff, a bit of FAQs, contact us, then further about us. Now here's the main stuff. Okay, if you see, this section is the most important part. This is where you're gonna make or break it. Okay, first thing, make sure that your headline is focused on the term or the keyword that you want to mostly focus on. In my case, it's emergency repair, hence we have focused it on that. Then if you see call to action, it must pop off. Okay, for instance, call this, right? You cannot have call here because it wouldn't be popping up, right? It wouldn't be showcased, or it wouldn't kind of pop as a something different where users eyeballs could get attracted. So we want to attract more eyeballs, because obviously we need those visitors to actually give us a call to or click on that call to action, right? So make sure whenever you are creating a location page, the color of that button must be something contrasting to the background, right? In our case, it's kind of white, I would say, maybe a mix of that. Hence we are having a bit of reddish stuff in our call to action, which is also in our brand color palette, so it helps. Then we are also having a form, because not everyone is comfortable in calling us, right? So we are just giving them some option, right? They can call us. And yeah, if you actually see, we are not having submit option here, right? It's rather claim your free code. My ad design team, they have got all the call to actions and all those stuff figured out. It's pretty easy for us to just take out or take the call to action or word that works really well and put it in the button. For instance, claim your free code, this works well. You can just do the same stuff, or you can just replicate the stuff that your competitor is doing, and based on that, because they are already running ads for a while and that must be making them money, hence they're running ads, right? So that's the stuff. But yeah, focus a lot on showing your USP, showing why they should trust you, and then a bit more about about us, about the company, and all those stuff. So yeah, this is how we do it. I build it on Elementor. You can surely build it on any other page builder as well if you want. And yeah, that's it for this one. If you want another video on how exactly I design ad campaign, or my team designs ad campaign, feel free to just comment below PPC and I'll get you one. Okay, that's it for this one. If you need any help in local marketing, feel free to book a call with us using the link given in the description and pin comment. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, have a great day.